First, Keiji's mom and dad go to a car dealership and get a new car. What a surprise! Then, Keiji and his friends go to new near Keiji's house that is a water slide. Cool. Last, Danny has to go to the bathroom so bad. Will he make it? Let's watch.
Tammy, why are we going to a discount car place? I thought you loved your car.
Because I want to upgrade. There are more cars out there that can do cool stuff. Some cars even have a TV in them. That would be perfect for the kids. They can watch a movie together without any DVD. Everything nowadays is digital.
TVs are everywhere. Public buses, museums, Africa, schools, restaurants, and even refrigerators.
Okay, K.O., you fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Okay, K.O., let's start the show.
It's not just the TV. Some have satellite radio. Seat warming. They can also prevent you from crashing into stuff. Like when our daughter goes crazy when driving.
Kathy, I don't think this is the way to my school.
It is. We are almost there, little Ricky.
But you hit a kid with a cart.
I found a really cool car. Check it out.
$16,000? Are you out of your mind? There is no way we can afford that. It's just a vehicle that transports.
Unless we can trade in my car for this cool car. I think we should do that.
Fine. Let's see what the inside looks like. I didn't open it. It was the car. Amazing.
Hey, this has satellite radio.
Who can it be knocking at my door? Go away. Don't come round here no more. Can't you see that it's late at night? I'm very tired, and I'm not feeling right. All I wish is to be alone. Stay away. Don't you invade my home.
Seat warmers. That feels so nice.
40B. Somebody pinch me.
Do you want to pay or trade a car?
Buy it. It's the best car ever.
Let's use our old car to trade for this new car.
This is your left and that's your left. This is your left, that's your left. This is your right and that's your right.
Up, 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 up. Down! Up, 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 up. Down! Up, 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 up. Down! Up!
Why are they out for so long? I thought that they were only looking at cars.
Maybe they probably are trying to buy a car. They have never went to look at cars for this long before.
They are back.
Push it to the limit. Walk along the razor's edge. Don't look down, just keep your head or you'll be finished.
Wow, Mom. That's a cool car.
I changed the license plate just for you. Honey bun.
No.
Baseball was fun. Our team won. Yay! Good game.
So Keiji, what is this new car your mom got that you are talking about at school lately?
You'll see. It's gray. It's pretty. It's wonderful. It's got a lot of things you would never see in any other car. Don't be jealous.
Wow, that car looks so cool. I bet they have a TV in there like those cars that I want when I grow up.
Let's go.
Wow, this car is so fast. Wait, I want to watch the TV.
Wow. Seat warming. This feels nice.
Stupid parents won't let me get their bike. Stupid rusty old bike.
Hey! What did you stop for?
Loser, loser, loser.
Red light. Watch where you're going, you fool.
They're flying!
How did you pass a red light without even getting a ticket? Silly you.
I love this new car.
Man, I can't wait for the new pool. It is so hot out and it's a beautiful day for that.
I can't wait till you go swimming. This is gonna be fun.
Remember, Keiji, stay in line.
This is gonna be fun.
Let's play tag. Tag. You're IT. Ha 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 ha. I win. Ha 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 ha. I win. Ha 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 ha.
You need to grow up, little girl.
Little girl. I'm a 38-year-old man that looks like a little girl. I'm worthless.
Here's what you should do. Put on sunscreen. No peeing in the pool. Remember to wash your feet before going in the pool.
But we already took a shower before we went. Wow, This pool looks deeper than I expected. Just like how the diving board is higher than I expected. Time to jump. Whoa, that pool is really deep. And I was at the bottom of the pool. This pool says it is 10.5 feet.
He was at the bottom of the pool. He doesn't know how long. But it must have been a while. 'Cause he's had time to write this song.
Hey look, fishies. Where did they come from?
At the bottom of the pool.
The bottom of the pool. Hey, I want to try to jump. Uh-oh, I forgot. Hi. Oh no.
Just jump in the pool, Edwin.
I'm gonna push you in. So, Sally, did you see fishies?
I hate you.
Wow, this water slide looks cool. Time to go in. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. It's so cold. Hey, it's warm now.
Danny, I told you not to pee in the pool. Good thing no one saw that.
Dude, so gross. Don't pee in the pool.
I drank 8 big glasses of soda before I went. Whoops.
Good thing my sister never noticed. She is busy listening to music on her phone.
Watch this. Cannonball.
Hey, let's play tag. Tag. You're it. Ha ha ha.
How are you?
I'm a 38-year-old man that looks like a little girl.
Yikes. Gotta go.
I really hope no one splashes water in my eye. My eye still kinda hurts from that wasabi in my eye.
Ouch!
What is wrong with you? Stupid little kids.
Thanks for taking us to the new pool, Keiji. It was fun. I love how nice the water was.
The water slide was so cool. I love how fast and nice it was, but I peed in the pool. Sorry.
Let's go home. We need to drive off. That was so fun. The diving board was my favorite. I saw the bottom of the pool. Wasn't the slide cool, Sally?
I never knew there was a slide. I thought that was another diving board.
The diving board was fun. Isn't that right, Sally?
Shut up.
He was at the bottom of the pool. He doesn't know how long. But it must have been a while. 'Cause he's had time to write this song.
Check it out, guys. I am going to drink this whole entire 2-liter bottle of poppy soda. This is gonna be cool.
Danny, I don't think it is a good idea to drink a 2-liter bottle at lunch during school. You are gonna pee yourself.
held it in for 6 hours before, so maybe I can hold it in for the rest of the school day. What a relief.
You are drinking a 2-liter bottle. I bet that you are going to be screaming about wanting to go to the bathroom. Just to let you know, the school does not let you go to the bathroom during class. Good luck.
For the last time, I am going to hold it.
Okay, here we go.
I told you. Stinks to be you.
I do not have to go to the bathroom. I am just doing the pee-pee dance for fun. Now I have to go. Help! Let me go to the bathroom. I am going to explode. Let me go.
How many times am I gonna tell you? The bathroom is only for lunchtime only. You should have thought of that at lunch.
But I gotta go. I am gonna pee myself in front of the whole class. Let me go. Now.
Fine. But just this once?
Yes. Finally. Wait. What the... Why is the line so long? Wait a second. I forgot. It's lunchtime for different grades right now. Dang it. I know. Yes, an open bathroom.
Sorry, kid. The bathroom is being cleaned. Some kid made the bathroom really stink.
I got to go find a place. Party, party, party. Hey, I want to go in the girls' room. That's a pretty place.
Hey, who are you? Get out.
Party, 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 party. Hey, a Toys R Us. Wait a second. They are out of business. No. Party, party, party. I need to find a place. Oh no. Water. Oh, dude. Gotta go fast. Chicken, chicken. Can I go use the bathroom?
Sorry, paying customers can go to the bathroom only.
Dude. Can I use your bathroom?
No.
Can I use your bathroom?
No.
Can I use your bathroom?
Numéro.
Can I use your bathroom?
No way, Jose.
Man, this is the worst day of my life.
Why is Danny taking so long? He is just using an excuse to skip classes. Detention for him.
The bathrooms at school are crazy today. Maybe that's why.
Party, 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 party. No one wants me to go to their bathroom. Forget them. In about a minute, I think I'm gonna wet myself. No bathrooms are in this area. Ramps. I got to run more. After about like 2 hours, I still find nothing. Wait a second. A gas station. They have a bathroom. May I please use your bathroom?
Yes, here is a key to the bathroom.
Finally, my placard is about to explode. Yes.
Just a reminder, I have never cleaned this bathroom ever since it was built. Good luck.
And I just peed my pants because of how disgusting this place is. Good night.